si yo no puedo seguir solo, pero sé que te boté, de mi vida te boté. Y te boté, te di banda y te solté. Yo te solté, pa'l carajo usted se fue.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video. And today I'm gonna be recording my third or fourth Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm actually gonna be trying the things out. And I actually came out with this makeup look with the palette that we got and all the products that are in this box. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and like it and subscribe if you haven't already. And you guys, thank you so much for all the support you guys have given me. It really means a lot. Like, thank you so much. So if you guys want to know what I got and how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So this is how the box looks like. Sorry. And this is what it looks inside of it. So let's see what we got. And sorry because I keep looking at the viewfinder. I actually got a new camera and I'm pretty excited, to be honest. I'm really grateful. And it's really hard, you guys. It's really hard to accustom to the camera. So I'm sorry if I do. So that's how the box looks like. So now I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that we got in this Boxycharm. So the first product that I see is this mascara, and it's by Wonder Beauty. And this mascara retails for $24. So yeah. The next thing is this brow pomade, and this is the brush, and then this is the pomade. And I don't know if I said it already, but that retails for $26, and I didn't use this one because I totally forgot about it, but I did my brows off camera. Sorry for that. I'm actually gonna be doing an updated eyebrow routine, so yeah. So the next thing is this blush by NOTEROUTE, and it says this blush is designed to work for all skin types. This blush adds a natural color to your cheeks with its organ oil, and I'm actually wearing it right now and I love it, you guys. I love it. And then we're gonna go with this one, and it's the No More Baggage, and this one says sorry, it says say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. Rested looking eyes with Dr. Brand No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So I'm actually wearing it too, and I really like it, you guys. I actually love everything that is in this Boxycharm box. And for the last thing is this crowned palette, and that's what it looks like. These are such a pretty colors, you guys, and I actually came up with this makeup look today for you guys. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I already have my eyes primed, and I used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So we're first going to be using this color.
positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know.
And then here we're just gonna be doing this dark. And then apply it on the center.
Tell me what it is. What it is, no need to make believe. Look beyond your world. Try to find a place for me. When you're at your best, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna add a black eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna be using this No More Baggage, and it's by Dr. Brand, and it says say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful. Rested looking nice with Dr. Brand's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. And it also says you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. So let's see how this works. This thing is orange. So we're gonna warm it up in our fingers. Do you see a difference? A little. See? I kind of do see a difference in this one. And sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. Sorry. So now I'm just gonna go and finish my face makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the mascara and the blush. So I'll be back. So I already have my makeup done, basically done, almost done. I just need to add eyelashes and mascara and a little bit of blush and highlight, and that's it. And I did add these two colors for the bottom of my eyes. So yeah, let's go and use the mascara. And this is what the one looks like. It is okay, but it's not the best. So to pay $24, I think I wouldn't buy it.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to love.
of us, but you know, we basically got it for free. So yeah. So now I'm gonna go with the blush, and it's by Note. And let's look at it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is such a pretty blush. So let's go ahead and apply it. Oh my god, I do like it. And I don't really use a blush, but I think I'm gonna be using it now. Oh my god, I love this. So now I'm gonna finish the look with some highlight and eyelashes, and yeah. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just love it how it turned out.
I'm in love with this.